What is going on, guys? It is your boy MaxCrypto here, back with a brand new video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a crypto platform, guys. This platform is called BlockFi. It is a very popular app in the crypto space, and what this app basically does is it's a crypto bank. That's the way I like to view it. So basically you can deposit your cryptocurrencies with BlockFi, and then they will reward you with interest payments on your crypto. So important things to know, guys: not all cryptos have the same interest rates. You'll see in the video, I'll have the screen there, and it's going to show you at some point all the different interest rates for the different cryptos. Just off the top, guys, I know that Bitcoin is at 4.5%, I believe. We have Ethereum at 5%. And then for stable coins is actually at 9% right now, guys, which is crazy. I mean, your bank deposit is probably giving you like 0.1% right now. So just to have 9% on a stable coin is pretty insane. And I also believe that Tether is currently at 9.5% even. So that's even higher if you want to take the risk to hold Tether, because there's a lot of allegations going on Tether. So this app is really simple to use. So there's three main features. So you can deposit your crypto, you can withdraw your crypto, and then you can trade your crypto as well. So if you want to use it to swap your coins, you can do that for sure. And the way you deposit it is either through a crypto transfer, which is the easiest way, I believe. You just deposit your crypto, whether you bought it somewhere else or you just deposit it into the app. You can also do a wire transfer, which it's complicated, guys. I used to work at a bank. It's like a old way of depositing money. It's very complex. It takes a long period of time. So I wouldn't, unless you're living in the US, I wouldn't really recommend doing the wire transfer. And then the last function is to withdraw, obviously. So you can withdraw your crypto to any other crypto address. Now, few important things to know. So the interest rates always change, guys. They change a lot. So that's why currently it's 9%. A few months ago it was like 7.5%. So they change their interest rates, a lot. They vary, which is normal, guys. The crypto markets are, crazy, and depending on what is happening in the markets, they are able to change the interest rates. Another important thing to know is I believe BlockFi is a regulated company, but there is still some uncertainty with the regulatory framework if they will be able to continue their business. I know it's a lot of governments that kind of want to stop these high interest payments on these companies. So just be careful. Things might change with BlockFi. It's not set in stone, but as of now, guys, the app works well. Personally, I use it. But again, do your own research. None of this is financial advice, so do your own research before using a platform. That being said, guys, this is an amazing platform. As you can see, I use it. I deposit. I use it for stable coins, guys. So anytime I have cash, I'd rather have the cash sitting in something like DAI or USDC. That's actually giving me 9% currently, which is absolutely insane. So it's basically a better way to hold cash, the way I see it, right? So yeah, guys, that's a quick overview of the BlockFi app. Like I said, it's basically like a crypto bank, guys. You get to deposit your crypto there, and they give you interest. Another thing to know is that you don't hold your key phrase. So basically, you're lending your crypto out, guys. This is important to know. You don't really have full custody of the asset, but you lend it out, they give you interest, right? That's how it works. Same way with a traditional bank. They can do whatever they want with your money. So keep that in mind. And also, guys, I will have a BlockFi link. You can get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin, I believe, if you use my referral link. So it's going to be in the description down below if you want to help your boy out. And that being said, guys, that's the BlockFi app. It's pretty simple, and it's great. I use it a lot. Keep in mind, guys, all the things I said, the regulatory framework and all that. But for now, it works very well, and I'm a happy BlockFi customer, guys. So yeah, that's it for this review, guys. Quick overview of the app. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or anything like that, make sure to leave me a comment, and I'll be there to reply to you. So yeah, thanks, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.